So, you've heard you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Awesome. But then you start looking into it and everyone makes it sound so ridiculously complicated, right? Suddenly you're drowning in jargon like sales funnels, SEO, and analytics. People are throwing a dozen different steps at you and you're left feeling completely overwhelmed, wondering where you'd even begin. It feels like you need a marketing degree just to get your foot in the door. What if I told you that? To get started, to go from thinking about it to it, you only need to nail two simple things. Forget the noise. Forget the super complex strategies for now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Pinterest account for success and how to create your very first affiliate pin, step by step. By the end of this, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to finally get started today. What is Pinterest affiliate marketing? The simple version. First things first, what even is affiliate marketing? It's way less scary than it sounds. At its heart, it's just word-of-mouth marketing for the digital world. Think of it like this. You find a product you genuinely love. Let's say it's an incredible coffee maker. You naturally tell your friends about it because you want them to have amazing coffee too. Now imagine the coffee maker company gave you a small thank you check every time a friend bought one based on your recommendation. That's it. That's affiliate marketing. You recommend a product using a special trackable link, and when someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. You don't create the product. You don't touch the inventory. You don't deal with customer service. Your only job is to be the helpful bridge connecting the right person to the right product. And why Pinterest? Because it's a game changer. On other social media, people are just killing time. On Pinterest, people show up with a mission. They are actively searching for ideas, solutions, and products. They're planning their future, whether it's a kitchen remodel, a new dinner recipe, or the perfect travel bag. This makes them a high-intent audience, which is gold for affiliate marketing. Your helpful recommendation isn't an annoying interruption. It's the exact solution they were looking for. Step 1. The foundation. Setting up your business account. Okay, time to lay the groundwork. The very first thing you need is a Pinterest business account. You might have a personal account already, but you need to switch it over. This is non-negotiable, and here's why. A business account is totally free, and it unlocks the keys to the kingdom. We're talking analytics, ad tools, and other professional features you need to grow. Without them, you're just guessing. Just go to business.pinterest.com, or, if you already have an account, find the option to convert it in your settings. Pinterest walks you right through it. Once your business account is ready, we need to optimize it. So many beginners skip this, and it's such a mistake. Think of your profile as your digital storefront. It needs to be professional, and it needs to tell both Pinterest and your visitors exactly what you're all about in a split second. Here's how we do it. First, your profile name. Resist the urge to just use your name. Instead, pack it with keywords related to your niche. That's just the specific topic you'll focus on, like home organization or vegan recipes. So, instead of Jane Doe, try something like Jane Easy Home Organization. This instantly tells people your specialty and helps you show up in searches. Second, your profile picture. Use a clear, high-quality photo of your face or a crisp, clean logo. People connect with people, so a friendly face works wonders. If you want a logo, you can whip one up for free in a tool like Canva. Third, your bio. You've got about 160 characters, so make them count. Clearly state who you help and what you offer. Weave in a few more keywords here. For example, helping busy families create organized and peaceful homes. Find simple tips, product recommendations, and more. Affiliate links used. That last part is key for disclosure. Fourth, claim your website. Even if you don't have some big fancy blog, having a simple website or landing page is a really good idea. Many of the best affiliate programs, like Amazon Associates, often require a site for you to even get approved. Claiming your site on Pinterest also proves you're legit and unlocks rich pins, which pull extra info from your site and make your pins look way more professional. With your profile looking sharp, the final piece is creating your first set of boards. Boards are just how you organize your pins. Don't be random about it. Be strategic. Create 10 to 15 boards that are all tightly related to your niche. For our home organization example, you could have boards like kitchen organization hacks, closet decluttering, small space living, and home office setup. And here's the secret weapon. Treat your board titles and descriptions just like your profile. Use keywords. A title should be simple and searchable, like kitchen pantry organization. Then, in the description, write a sentence or two explaining the board, using even more related keywords. Something like, find the best ideas and products for your kitchen pantry organization, discover storage solutions and layout tips for a functional pantry. This whole setup might take 30 minutes, but it's the most important 30 minutes you'll spend. You are literally telling the Pinterest algorithm what you're about, so it can send the right people your way. Step 2. The action. Creating a killer affiliate pin. Your storefront is ready, it's time to stock the shelves. This is the fun part, making your very first affiliate pin. A pin is just an image or video that links to a website. In our case, it's a website that can make you money. Your goal is to create pins that are beautiful, helpful, and crazy clickable. The gold standard for a pin is a vertical image with a 2.3 aspect ratio. Think 1000 by 1500 pixels. This format dominates the screen on a phone, and most Pinterest users are on their phones. The best tool for this, hands down, is Canva. It's a free design tool with thousands of Pinterest templates. You can literally search Pinterest pin, pick a design you like, and make it your own in minutes. Here's the recipe for a great pin. 1. Start with a high-quality image or video. Visuals are everything on Pinterest. Use a bright, clear photo of the product in action or a graphic that's easy on the eyes. 2. Add a text overlay. This is non-negotiable. Your pin needs a bold, easy-to-read headline right on the image. It should spark curiosity and scream value. So instead of just brown handbag, your text should say something like 5 fall outfits you can style with one handbag. See the difference? You're offering an idea, not just an item. 3. Write a keyword-rich title. Just like before, the title of your pin needs to be optimized for search. Think, what would someone actually type to find this? A great title would be, The Perfect Affordable Fall Handbag for Work. 4. Craft a helpful description. You get up to 500 characters, so use them. Expand on your title. Talk about the product's benefits, who it's for, and why you love it. Wrap it up with a clear call to action like, click the link to see why this is the must-have handbag of the season. It's also smart to add a few relevant hashtags at the end like fall fashion or work style. 5. Add your affiliate link. This is the moment of truth. This is where you paste that unique trackable affiliate link you got from your affiliate program, like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Now, let's talk about a few critical rules to keep your account safe and in Pinterest's good graces. Don't use URL shorteners, no bit.ly or tinyURL links. Pinterest can see these as spammy because you're hiding the final destination. Always use the full raw affiliate link the program gives you. Do disclose your links. You have to be upfront that you might earn money. A simple hashtag like affiliate, ad, or a line like this post contains affiliate links is perfect. Transparency builds trust, and it's required by law. Don't just spam product photos. Your job is to offer value, not just be a walking advertisement. Remember the 5 fall outfits idea. That's inspiring. A lonely product shot is not. Solve a problem or inspire an idea, then present the product as the perfect solution. Do create fresh pins. Pinterest is hungry for new content. A fresh pin just means a new pin image or video, even if it links to the same product you've promoted before. Creating multiple unique pin designs for one affiliate product is a core strategy for winning on Pinterest. Test different photos and headlines to see what your audience loves. Once your pin is ready, select the most relevant board you created and hit publish. And that's it. You just published your very first money-making pin. See? Not so scary. You've been hearing about people making money on Pinterest, and now you know the exact first 2 steps to join them. It's not about mastering everything at once. It's about taking those first, most important actions. When you boil it all down, all you need to do to get started today is 1. Set up and fully optimize your Pinterest business account to build a solid foundation. 2. Design and publish your first valuable, keyword-rich affiliate pin. That's it. Don't get lost in the weeds with advanced stuff or worry that you don't have thousands of followers. Just focus on nailing these 2 steps. So, here's your challenge. Set up your business account and create your first 3 to 5 pins this week. It's time to stop thinking and start doing. In my next video, we're going to get into the really good stuff. How to find the best high-paying affiliate programs for your niche and the simple strategies to use when your pins start getting clicks. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. You're so much closer than you think. Now go get started. Thanks for watching.